Namaskar. Let us see the synthesis of para-bromoacetanilide from acetanilide and find out its percentage practical yield and melting point. The apparatus required for this experiment are conical flasks, measuring cylinder, beakers, burette stand, pipette, funnel, and thermometer. The chemicals required are acetanilide, bromine, glacial acetic acid, water, sodium sulfite, and alcohol. Procedure: weigh 6.7 gram of finely powdered acetanilide. Take 22.5 ml of glacial acetic acid in a conical flask. Dissolve the acetanilide in the glacial acetic acid in a conical flask. Take 12.5 ml of glacial acetic acid in another conical flask. Dissolve 2.65 ml of bromine in it. This has to be done in a fume hood or fuming chamber. Fill this solution in a burette. Place the conical flask containing acetanilide solution in cold water. From the burette, add gradually bromine solution to the conical flask containing acetanilide with constant stirring. After adding all bromine solution, keep the final reaction mixture at room temperature for 30 minutes with occasional shaking. Add the reaction mixture in conical flask in a beaker containing 200 ml of water. Rinse the flask with 50 ml of water. If the reaction mixture is colored yellow or orange, you have to add sodium sulfite in small amount. Here we can see the crystals of para-bromoacetanilide are being formed. Filter the precipitate using Buckner's flask. Wash thoroughly with cold water. Press the precipitate with the filter paper and try to dry it and remove as much water as possible. Now we have to carry out the recrystallization. For this, alcohol is used as solvent. Warm alcohol is added to the precipitate in such a quantity as the precipitate dissolves in it. This mixture is warmed further so that the precipitate is completely soluble in alcohol. Let it cool slowly over a period of time. Pure crystals of para-bromoacetonilide are formed. Weigh the crystals of para-bromoacetonilide and find out the percentage practical yield. Find out the melting point of para-bromoacetonilide.